Welcome guys. Today you are going to learn about SolidWorks user interface. It is important to get an idea about the SolidWorks user interface before learning it. It will help you to get the uses of tools, their location, how to access it, and easily follow the tutorials, means next tutorials while learning it. The contents of the videos are given here. Let us begin to learn the SolidWorks user interface. When opening SolidWorks from Windows, you will get interface which is shown here. This is SolidWorks 2016 starting window. The SolidWorks user interface is very well arranged and very user friendly. The menus, toolbars can be easily located from the interface and well separated. Let us see each one of the user interface parts of the SolidWorks 2016. First, you are going to see the menu bar of SolidWorks. Move your mouse cursor to the SolidWorks button and you will see the menu bar. It contains File, View, Tools, Help. Explore each one of them. You can access the toolbars or add-ins from the Tools menu also. The Help, you can, if you are connected with internet, you will get to connect the tutorials of the SolidWorks. This is the main toolbar. Here there is a file, save and all. These options, if you click on options, you will access the system options, where you can edit all the system options related to the SolidWorks. You will see the important system options in upcoming tutorials. You can also access the add-ins option from the Flyout menu. Select the add-in option and click OK to add it on your toolbar. But when you are entering the part file, the menu bar is little different and new menus are added here, like Edit, Insert and Window menus. You can use the Tools menu to access the Customize menu or Customize option. You can customize using the Customize menu option. Also, you can access the tools to customize on it. Then you can customize these toolbars, shortcut bars, commands, menus, keyboards, and mouse gestures, etc. Later we will see it in detail. It's all about the menu bar. Next is Tools bar. Here you can see the main tools bar of the SolidWorks. It contains the part, assembly, and assembly from part, assembly, and save as and all files, print options, and select tool, and other options, the system options. Let's move to the command manager of SolidWorks. It's a context sensitive toolbar which contains the various commands of SolidWorks, like features, sketch tools, evaluation tools, dim expert, like that. We will all see the each and every functions in the upcoming tutorials. You can use the Control plus page up or page down button to alter the scroll through the command manager tab. Next is the feature manager design tree. It's an important feature. Here we can see the feature manager design tree. It shows the all parts in a part or assembly document. You can select the sketch or feature directly to make modifications or removals from here. Here I will show a list of uses of this feature design manager tree here. Here we are going to see the property manager in the user interface of SolidWorks. Means the set of properties and other options for many SolidWorks commands. it appears on the property manager tab. The left space of the SolidWorks appears here. Let's see how it appears. Here I'm selecting a circle and simply drawing a circle. See, the property manager of circle is the circle property manager appears here. It contains certain options. You can adjust the dimension of the circle by adjusting the radiation, XY position parameters. You can also use it as a construction, you can add dimension like that. This is the property manager interface, and this is a tick OK button. This is the help button. If you want any help, you can click on it and get the help. That's all about the property manager. Another important part of the user interface is the Flyout feature manager design tree. It helps to view both feature manager design tree and property manager at the same time. It automatically appears when a property manager is active. For example, if you click on this circle, the property manager will activate. At the same time, here another design tree will appear. This is the Flyout design tree. If you press on C button in your keyboard, you can toggle the visibility of it. And to make Flyout feature manager tree transparent, you can go to the tools menu and options. The system options. In system options, go to the feature manager and use transparent. Just check it on. That's it. Close it. This is the main graphics area of the SolidWorks, and here we are creating our sketches, the part file, the models, the 3D models. We are applying the features. Everything is happening here only. This is the main graphics phase. We can modify it. It contains two main items. Like this is the reference triad and this is the origin. It is mainly used to identify the X, Y is the direction of the interface, and this point is the origin point. We can make the drawing only for the reference. You can 0 0, the X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 0, Z is equal to 0. This is the origin point of the graphics area. By using the reference triad, we can view the different views. If you press it on, it see the X direction, Y direction, like that. It's a direction. We can change the view of the model. Also, that's all about graphics area. This is the Headsup Toolbar. Actually, I forgot to mention the toolbars area. So let's see what is included in the Headsup Toolbar in SolidWorks. These are the view tools, and it can adjust the appearance of the graphics area, and like that. Section views, you can zoom to fit or zoom to a particular area of the model, like this. And if you press zoom to fit, it completely fit in your interface. You can also use the section view. You can see the section view like that. These are the different views, like you can use isometric, dimetric, trimetric views, and all different view, back view, top view, like that. Also you can change the background of your interface like this. These are all about the Headsup Toolbar. Let's see some other additional information about the SolidWorks user interface. This is a status bar of the SolidWorks user interface. Status bar. You can adjust the say units of the part file or document, or you can edit the documents here, units here. You can select the mgps, millimeter, etc. And or when we are selecting and thing, it will show the part number. Basically it gives the information related to the functions that you are performing in the SolidWorks interface. Okay, next you are going to see the uses of mouse button. You can use the left mouse button to select the items, or you can select any top plane, right plane, like that. You can always select the part, face, corner, like that. And the right mouse button, you can access the context menu of the SolidWorks. Here you can sketch, you can access the sketch, means different views, edit scene, like the other commands also. You can also customize the menu by customizing it. And the middle mouse button you use to dynamically rotate the pans or zoom application, the part in the part of assembly. Let's see how it's done. You can rotate like that, and if you are scroll it, you can zoom in or zoom out option. This is the pan zoom option of the middle mouse button. Let's come back to the diametric view or isometric view. And other thing is the mouse gesture. You can activate the mouse gestures by holding the right button or right mouse button, then move the drag the mouse button. You can see these options like this view, and again you can hold it and left, top, like this. You can change it in the different views. That's all about the additional information. I think you enjoyed the video of SolidWorks user interface. I tried my level best to include all details of user interfaces in the SolidWorks, and feel free to like and subscribe the channel. And also I need your valuable comments to improve our next tutorial. And thank you. Having a nice day. Bye bye.